Hey guys, Chris here. I've had a couple requests from people on how to replace the spring in your Panzer with magnetic. What I've got are two 1mm ring magnets and a single 1/8 inch magnet. I tried doing this with all 1mm stacked, but it just wasn't strong enough, and by the time I had enough magnets stacked in there, it just didn't have the resistance I wanted. Replacing is very easy. I'm just going to unscrew the bottom pin on my Panzer. Take out the small spring, set it aside. I'm going to place the 1/8 inch magnet on the bottom. It doesn't really matter which goes which, but I like the bigger one on the bottom just to make sure it clears well. And then simply stack the two 1mm magnets together. Once they're together, they don't like to come off. And then before I set these on here, I'm going to test to see if they're retracting like that, or if they are, I'm going to flip them over so that they're pushing apart. And what you'll see is you now have those magnets floating on top of the bottom magnet, and that's what's going to give you your resistance instead of the spring. Once I have that in place, I'm just going to pop that into the bottom part of the Panzer. Once I've got them facing the right way, they'll actually stick inside to that brass very well, so I don't have to worry about trying to hold them together while they're actually putting it together. Now, simply push the pin in, and you see I get nice, good, springy resistance there. And replace the bottom pin. It gets good resistance, good throw, and nice solid hit every time. I think it's the best upgrade to my Panzer since the, well, obviously I like my silver pins, but I think I actually like this better. Great spring, good resistance, never going to wear out. If you own a Panzer, give it a try.